I'm out. I'm just taping. Oh, I got to put my door plug on. Could you do that for me?
What?
Can you put my door plug on? I thought I did. It snapped off. Thanks. Muchas gracias. Just trying to get this frost a little bit. I took out those 3 of those bastards in the tower. I love taking out that gun. That was great. Yeah, I was so close to them. They didn't know where I was. They were flying over, and I was too close. They couldn't see me, and I was down in the brush.
I love the taste of paint in the morning. Tastes like, well, children's finger paint.
And that is what it's all about.
Mm-hmm.